going to do a quick review on new helmet that I got. I actually got me and my grandson one. Let's unbox it. I did my head measurement, and according to their sizing table, I wear an extra large. So actually, according to their sizing table, I wore a large, but I was like right in between. So that's what I have, extra large, and I'm really hoping it fits. Okay, let's just take a look at it. Nice little dust bag. I do like that. Ooh, I like the colors actually. Kind of sort of matches my spider, kind of sort of, but I do like the colors. The vents are, you know, vents, do they really do anything? But this is an open face. So my current helmet is a full face. So this is what we got. I don't know, we're gonna see. There's nice padding in here. This is hard right here. Hard. This is padding. Nice padding. I do like the pull for the ratchet type enclosure or closure. And I actually like this type of closure better. It's just a little bit easier. You guys hear that? And then you just pull to release. So you got that. All of the padding you can actually take out. And there's snaps there. And there's snaps that snap into the actual helmet casing. Take these out and wash them. And then there's this comes out. If you can see that. There's Velcro that holds that in. So we're gonna see if it fits. Okay, so here we go. So it does fit. So I can adjust that. Yeah, this is nice. So, yeah, so this comes down pretty easy. They do. There we go. That's awesome. So there you go.
Ok, chicos, ya está. Parece que aprieta, pero en realidad no está cómodo. Yo le pedí el XL. Pude haberlo pedido un poco más pequeño, pero créanme que este que es XL me está apretando un poquito. Entonces quiero pensar que la otra iba seguramente a sentir más apretado. Entonces yo creo que eso está bien. Créanme, aunque se vea que está apretado, está cómodo, está perfecto. Y sinceramente está genial. Me gustó. Está fantástico. Está genial. Muy recomendado. Cuidado.